Hey everybody, it's Mr. Gomez, just coming to talk to you about area. Today's slides, you learned a few different terms, and one of them was area and two-dimensional, and you also learned volume being three-dimensional. We'll start with area being two-dimensional. You can listen to Miss Larimore, go back to the slides, and get a greater grasp if you were missing understanding something. So here, A is equals length times width. The formula, the process we use to find out something's area is to measure its length by its width. Like this two-dimensional piece of cardboard. When I put it here for you, I know I already measured it, so I know that my 7 inches is one side and that 11 inches is on the other side. Now here is a big question that students always have. Well, where do you find the L? Where did you get the W, Mr. G? Well, I'm going to let you know. My L and my W. My first measurement in my two-dimensional object, looking for the area, is going to be 7. That's my L. So I have 7 inches. I'm going to multiply it because we're always multiplying when it comes to area. It's going to be 11 inches. So my W is 11 inches. So where did I get the 7 and 11? How do I find my L? L is the 7. That's the length. W is the 11. That's the width. Now I multiply 7 times 11, and that's going to be 77. In this case, it's inches, and it's going to be squared. Two-dimensional shape, we square it. It has two things we're multiplying. So why is it important to know how much space is here? Well, maybe you want to figure out how many circles you can cut out, how many math problems you can do on a piece of paper, and then you'll know how many pieces of paper you would need. But we can apply area to many, many things in life. Real life for you right now. So let's say you guys are home quarantine, the weather's getting better, and you guys want to grow a garden. Well, I need to know how much soil is going to go in my garden. I need to know how many seeds or how many packs of seeds I'm going to be able to purchase to cover that space. So we're going to label this a garden. Okay? We're calling this a garden now. And let's see, a decent sized garden, well, we wouldn't be the size of a piece of paper. So you wouldn't use inches. I would probably use feet or yards, right? A foot is 12 inches. A yard is 36 inches. So let's go with feet. 4 feet. And we'll say it's 6 feet wide, right? 6 feet. So if I went into a place and I said, well, my garden is about this big, or I don't know, they wouldn't be able to help me so much. But if I told them that I had measured the square footage of my garden, using area, my L coming here from the 4 is my 4 feet. I'm multiplying the width, my second measurement is a 6. 4 times 6 equals 24 feet squared. I measure twice, I have a square. So now I say my garden is 24 square feet. Well, that would let me know how many bags of soil or how many packages of seeds I would need. Because on the bag of soil, it would say, this bag covers 10 square feet. Well, 10 square feet. Is one bag enough? Nope. 2 bags would be 20 square feet. 3 bags would be 30 square feet. Well, I know I have to buy 3 bags of soil to give my garden enough soil to appropriately grow something. So that's a real life application that you would need to use area. And you're still home quarantine, let's say, and you're getting tired of the same old colors in your room. So you want to paint one wall. Let's get a different accent wall. So you need to find out how large that wall is so you can purchase the right amount of paint. So you measure your room wall, and your room is 15 feet long, and the width is, let's say, 8 feet. That's about the standard height of a wall. So I know I need to buy enough paint to fit that wall. So how do I find out how much square footage is it? Well, I get my L as in 8 feet. I get my width as in 15 feet. And I multiply 8 times 15. Well, there's several ways you can solve that problem. I would say 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 80 is 120. But it's 120 square feet, right? So now I go to the store and I want to get a gallon of paint. Well, 1 gallon of paint only covers 50 square feet. So do I have enough paint? The answer is no. I need to get at least 3 gallons of paint because 3 times 50 is 150. Otherwise, if I don't know the square footage, I don't know that area, I'm not going to purchase the appropriate amount of paint. Or I'm going to purchase too much paint and waste money. So it's important to understand how to get the area of an object by measuring an object's length and its width. And that's a two-dimensional object. Length times width will give me the area. When you see this formula, A equals length times width, it means area, you're looking for the area, you're getting a measurement for the L, the length, and a measurement for the width, right there. So that's how you would find the area of a two-dimensional object. When you're looking through your slides, use this video to help you solve some of those problems. The next slide or the next video I create will be on volume. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.